Have you ever cranked up your favorite song in the car only to feel disappointed by the weak, flat bass that barely fills the cabin? That's one of the most common frustrations for beginners in car audio, and today I'm solving that problem for you. I've lined up the top 5 best car subwoofers for beginners, starting from number 5 and working all the way to number 1, so you'll know exactly which option fits your budget, your car, and your listening style. Stick with me until the end to find your best pick as a beginner car audio enthusiast. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future reviews, and check the links in the description for the best deals on all the products I'll cover today. Also, drop a comment below to let me know which of these subs you'd choose for your ride. I love hearing your thoughts. The Pioneer TS-WX1140DA is an 8-inch compact active subwoofer that delivers 160 watts RMS and up to 250 watts peak power. Housed in a sealed enclosure designed for tight spaces. It features a built-in Class D amplifier, digital bass control with selectable deep or dynamic modes, and a wired remote control for easy adjustments from the driver's seat. Measuring just under 12 inches wide and less than 4 inches tall, it's slim enough to fit under most car seats, making it ideal for vehicles with limited trunk space. The frequency response ranges from 20 Hz to 200 Hz, ensuring you get both low rumble and punchy mid-bass, and the aluminum cone construction adds durability while keeping distortion low. What I love most about the Pioneer TS-WX140DA is how effortless it makes upgrading your car audio. I've tested it in a compact sedan and the under-seat placement was perfect. It gave me bass I could feel without taking up any cargo space. The deep bass mode really shines when listening to hip-hop or EDM, while the dynamic mode adds punch for rock and pop tracks. This subwoofer is best for beginners who want a simple space-saving solution that still packs a noticeable punch. The only shortcoming is that it won't shake the neighborhood like larger subs, but for its size and convenience, it's absolutely worth it. The ORION Cobalt CPE100 is a 10-inch active down-firing subwoofer that comes with a built-in amplifier rated at 300 watts peak and 150 watts RMS. Its down-firing design enhances bass dispersion by using the floor of your vehicle to amplify sound, and the enclosure is carpeted for durability and a clean look. The frequency response runs from 35 Hz to 150 Hz, giving you solid low-end coverage, and the system includes RCA and high-level inputs for easy integration with factory or aftermarket stereos. The compact enclosure measures about 16 inches long and 12 inches wide, making it easy to fit in most trunks or hatchbacks without sacrificing space. What I personally enjoy about the ORION Cobalt CPE100 is the way it balances power and smoothness. The down-firing design produces bass that feels fuller and more natural, especially in SUVs or hatchbacks, where the cabin space benefits from floor reflection. It's best for drivers who want a clean, controlled bass upgrade, without the hassle of installing separate amps or wiring kits. The only drawback is that it doesn't hit the ultra-low frequencies as hard as larger subs, but for beginners who want a plug-and-play solution with reliable performance, it's a fantastic choice. The MTX TNP212D2 package includes dual 12-inch subwoofers mounted in a vented enclosure, paired with a matched MTX amplifier and a complete wiring kit. Each subwoofer is rated at 200 watts RMS, with a combined peak power of 1000 watts. Delivering serious output for beginners who want a full system upgrade. The enclosure is ported to maximize low-frequency extension, with a frequency response down to 37 Hz, and the subs feature polypropylene cones with rubber surrounds for durability. The included amplifier is perfectly tuned for the enclosure, ensuring optimal performance without complicated setup, and the wiring kit makes installation straightforward even for first-timers. From my experience, the MTX TNP212D2 is the first step into real bass territory. I love how complete the package is. You don't have to worry about mismatched amps or missing cables because everything is included. The dual 12s deliver chest-thumping bass that transforms any car audio system, and the vented box adds that deep rumble you feel in your bones. This setup is best for beginners who want a dramatic upgrade in one purchase without piecing together components. The only shortcoming is that the enclosure is fairly large, so it takes up trunk space, but the performance makes it more than worth the sacrifice. The Rockford Fosgate Punch P500-12P is a 12-inch powered subwoofer system with a built-in 500-watt Class D amplifier housed in a vented enclosure designed for maximum output. It features RCA and speaker-level inputs, an adjustable low-pass crossover, and a remote bass level control for fine-tuning. The frequency response extends down to 35 Hz, delivering deep, powerful bass, and the enclosure is finished with high-density carpet for durability. The system is designed for easy installation, requiring only power, ground, and signal connections, making it beginner-friendly while still offering professional-grade performance. What I love most about the Rockford Fosgate Punch P500-12P is its sheer authority. When I tested it, the bass was tight, controlled, and powerful enough to make every genre, from rap to rock, sound alive. The built-in amp saves you the trouble of matching components, and the remote bass knob lets you adjust output instantly depending on your mood or the track. This subwoofer is best for beginners who want premium sound quality and don't mind investing a little more for long-term satisfaction. The only shortcoming is that it's heavier and bulkier than compact subs, but the sound quality and ease of use make it a worthy investment. The Skar Audio SDR2X8D4 is a dual 8-inch loaded subwoofer enclosure featuring two SDR8D4 drivers wired to a final 2-ohm load, capable of handling 700 watts RMS and up to 1400 watts peak power. The enclosure is ported for maximum efficiency, tuned to deliver deep low-end response, and built with MDF construction wrapped in premium black carpet. Each subwoofer features a high-roll foam surround and a pressed paper cone for accurate bass reproduction, with a frequency response extending down to 36 Hz. The compact design measures just over 20 inches wide, making it easier to fit in smaller vehicles while still delivering impressive output. From my perspective, the Skar Audio SDR2X8D4 is the perfect blend of size and performance. I love how it delivers bass that feels much bigger than its 8-inch drivers suggest, thanks to the dual setup and ported enclosure. It's punchy, responsive, and versatile enough to handle everything from trap beats to classic rock. This subwoofer is best for beginners who want serious bass without committing to massive enclosures or complicated installs. The only shortcoming is that it requires an external amplifier, which adds a step for beginners. But once paired with the right amp, the performance is absolutely worth it. And those are my top 5 best car subwoofers for beginners. Starting from the compact Pioneer TSWX140DA all the way up to the powerhouse Skar Audio SDR2X8D4. Each of these subs solves the problem of weak, disappointing car audio by giving you bass you can feel, whether you're after space-saving convenience or full-blown chest-thumping power. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews, and check the links in the description to grab the best deals on these subwoofers. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me which one you'd choose for your car, or share your own experience with any of these models. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.